performance ko kanina kasi syempre knowing Australia na may mga height talaga and sabi ko nga, paano kaya papalusatin itong bola. Pero ayun, hanap pa naman ang paraan at may tuwid naman kanina.
Yung daw sinabi lang, kapag sinasabi, kapag sa international daw, mahirap paggalit, ano masabi mo, pinakita mo na kayang-kaya?
Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, ipakita lang talaga kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. And, I think naman kung hindi nadadaan sa kalakihan, daanin na lang sa peace at utang. Ayun, yun lang yung ginawa ko kanina. Siyempre, tulong lang din ako ng tulong sa mga sa.
Kamusta ka tayo din si Aya?
Sobrang UST feels like nakaka-miss. Pero ayun nga, masaya ako na dito kami nag-reunite sa national team. Ayun, sobrang proud ako sa ano niya, sa growth niya sa mundo ng volleyball.
Sisi from beach na nagre-represent ka ngayon, indoor naman, napakaraming ano lang feeling kanina?
Same lang din sa beach volley kasi ano lang din naman host tayo, ganun lang din yung pinakaramdam. Ayun, masaya ako na maraming nanood and sobrang dami and yun, masaya kami kasi isa din sila sa nakaka-post talaga sa mural natin.
Siyempre masaya kasi kahit short yung preparation namin, nagbubunga pa din at lahat ng hard work namin each day at yung gusto ni Coach Har na mangyari na sa team namin, I'm so happy na lahat talaga nagtutulong para makuha yung panalo na ba at sana mas marami pang panalo mga susunod.
Ano masasabi mo sa playmaking ni Sia? Grabe yung pinakita niya.
Actually, sobrang saya kasi after 2019, ito na lang ata yung pagkakataon na maka-teammate ko ulit si Ate Gia. At syempre, lagi namang isang karangalan maka-teammate si Ate Gia. At yung experience niya from Japan talagang nakikita ko din. At yung tiwala. Kaya sobrang happy.
Si Sisi rin maganda pinakita. First time niya ulit mag-team out. Anong feeling?
Actually, malaking tulong si Ate Sisi sa akin kasi talagang yung tiwala, yung confidence ko sa paglalaro, lalo na sa open. Kami natututunan ako habang naglalaro kaya laking tulong ni Ate Sisi at salamat din kay Ate Sisi sa laging paggabay sa akin since UST hanggang tumapa kami ng national team, nandyan siya para sa akin.
I was telling you guys, we didn't play any full set even in practice before. So for sure the first set will be hard. So after that the guys find the chemistry so they are not under pressure to make mistakes or not. And they start to play. I think in this competition you can also grow much more. So what you're watching here, look, we didn't put other guys also. So for tomorrow we're gonna use the other guys because we're gonna be tired after the tournament. But okay, I think you'll be good, better than.
It was the chemistry today.
Yes, what's good.
Yes,
improving a lot. So it's growing.
You found the right combination.
Yes, you know the guys love playing. I love too, but we made it in the right moment. So it's, I think it's that I think gonna happen much more from here today.
Thank you.
Coach, tomorrow we will be facing India, another tall team. And what will be the team's mindset?
Well, it's always play better and win. Win is always the result after the practice, after the play good. So we have received. Also, we've been had a lot of blocks. So even I don't want to compare. Okay, they are taller than us, but you can be faster than them. So it's we have to take advantage of the skills that we have better than them. In this case, the receiver is good. We have a good setter and a lot of weapons to spike. Yeah, a lot of good players. Middle block, opposite, and everything.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.